Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Nandkumar Sapare from the College Gupte Institute of Technology Department of MBA. So, today I will be telling about capital budgeting process. Capital budgeting process has 5 steps. They are: first, project identification and generation; second, project screening and evaluation; third, project selection; fourth, implementation; and the fifth, performance review. Now coming to first phase, project identification and generation. The first step towards capital budgeting is to generate a proposal for investments. There would be various reasons for taking up investments in a business. It would be addition of a new product line or expanding the existing one. It would be a proposal to either increase the production or reduce the cost of outputs. Now the second phase is project screening and evaluation. This step mainly involves selecting all correct criteria to judge the desirability of a proposal. This has to match the objective of a firm to maximize its market value. The tool of time value of money comes handy in this step. Also, the estimation of the benefits and the costs needs to be done. The total cash inflow and outflow, along with the uncertainties and risks associated with the proposal, has to be analyzed thoroughly, and appropriate provisions has to be done for the same. The third phase is project selection. There is no such defined method for the selection of a proposal for investments, as different businesses have different requirements. That is why the approval of an investment proposal is done based on the selection criteria and screening process, which is defined for every firm, keeping in mind the objectives of the investment being undertaken. Once the proposal has been finalized, the different alternatives for raising or acquiring funds have to be explored by the finance team. This is called preparing the capital budget. The average cost of funds has to be reduced. A detailed procedure of periodical reports and tracking the project for the lifetime needs to be streamlined in the initial phase itself. The final approvals are based on profitability, economic constituents, viability, and the market conditions. And the fourth phase is implementation. Money is spent and thus proposals is implemented. The different responsibilities like implementing the proposals, completion of the project within the requisite time period, and reduction of costs are allotted. The management then takes up the task of monitoring and containing the implementation of the proposals. Last step is performance review. The final stage of capital budgeting involves comparison of actual results with standard ones. The unfavorable results are identified, and removing the various difficulties of the projects helps for future selection and execution of the proposals. So these were the 5 phases of capital budgeting process. Thank you everyone for watching.